Before a crowd of more than 100,000 gathered at the shrine of Lourdes, Pope Benedict XVI celebrated Mass to commemorate the 150th anniversary of the apparitions of the Virgin Mary to Saint Bernadette. In his homily, the Pope said the message revealed by Our Lady of Lourdes is that there is a love in the world that is stronger than death, and that the power of love is stronger than the evil that threatens us. The Holy Father recalled that Mary presented herself in Lourdes as the Immaculate Conception, bringing a message of hope to the men and women of the world. The Virgin Mary showed herself to mankind as Mother, the Pope said, and he stressed that prayer should have a central place in the Christian life because it is indispensable for receiving strength from Christ. After the Mass, the Pope prayed the Angelus and said, "Mary shows us the appropriate way to draw close to the Lord with sincerity and simplicity. Thanks to her, we discover that the Christian faith is not a burden, but rather the wings upon which we can soar high to take refuge in the arms of God." Later in the afternoon, the Pope traveled to St. Joseph's Hermitage to have lunch with the French bishops of the region.